In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see delivery time on Temu in 2025. Navigating through online platforms can sometimes be a bit challenging, but we're here to make it easy for you. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a package or simply planning ahead, knowing when your item will arrive is vital. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Temu website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL temu.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Your account is the gateway to tracking your order, as it houses all your purchase history and current transactions. Now that you're on Temu, the next step is to go to your orders section. You can generally find this in the main menu or under your profile drop-down, often labeled as orders or my orders. Clicking on this will bring you a comprehensive list of all your transactions with available details. These details include your past purchases and the status of your current orders. Once you're in the orders section, it's time to choose the product you're interested in tracking. Browse through your list and select the relevant order. Clicking on the product will take you to a more detailed page that covers all information concerning that specific order. You'll find a variety of useful data here, such as the product description, seller information, and most importantly, the order tracking features. To get the delivery time, you'll need to click on the Track button. This button will provide detailed updates about your shipment's journey from the warehouse to your doorstep. Temu's tracking system should show you the estimated delivery date and offer insights into the current location of your package. It's a helpful tool that keeps you informed every step of the way. Remember, the delivery estimate can vary based on factors such as your location, the shipping company's schedule, weekends, and holidays. Occasionally, there might be delays due to unforeseen circumstances. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep track of when your much-awaited package will arrive. Being proactive about checking the delivery time can save you from possible inconvenience and allows you to plan your day accordingly around the expected arrival. Hopefully you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out to Temu's customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Temu.